Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make butterscotch mousse. First, gather your ingredients: 1 cup of brown sugar, 1/2 cup of butter, and 1/4 cup of heavy cream. Begin by melting the butter and brown sugar in a saucepan over medium heat, stirring until the sugar fully dissolves. Next, stir in the heavy cream and a small pinch of salt, allowing the mixture to simmer gently for about 2 minutes to create your rich butterscotch base. Now let's prepare the mousse base. Carefully whisk 2 large egg yolks into your warm butterscotch mixture. Continue to cook this over low heat for about 1 minute, stirring constantly until it slightly thickens. In a separate, chilled bowl, whip 1 cup of very cold heavy cream until it forms soft, airy peaks. This will give your mousse its light and fluffy texture. It's time to bring it all together. Once your butterscotch base has cooled to room temperature, gently fold in the whipped cream. Be careful not to overmix, as you want to maintain that airy texture. Pour the mousse into individual serving dishes or a larger bowl. Then, place it in the refrigerator to chill for at least 4 hours, or until it's perfectly firm and ready to enjoy. Finally, it's time to serve your delicious butterscotch mousse. You can garnish it with a dollop of extra whipped cream, some delicate chocolate shavings, or even a sprinkle of flaky sea salt to enhance the flavors. Always serve it chilled for the best possible taste and texture. For more great deals, and to check out those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers, be sure to look at the link in the description below. Enjoy your homemade treat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.